You turn it up a little because this seems louder. I think that's popping off. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Two 18s on a Salt 8K at half ohm. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, I thought you had a 6. This is an 8K. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just ain't turned all the way up.
Yeah, I know.
It's good.
Yeah. So, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man? Go ahead.
I'm John Allen, and I got ZB6, Sundown, Salt 8K.
Okay.
And it's 30.
I just can't trust these hoes. I'm just
Who built the box?
A guy out of Blackshear named Michael Drury.
Okay. Drawdy.
Yeah, Drury.
I know Drawdy. Sweet. Is this at 1 ohm or half ohm?
Half on.
Half ohm, okay. Oh, all the juice. How much alternator battery power?
I have 4 lithium banks.
Okay. And output alternator?
I have 2 Ohio generators, 370s.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any roof work or glass breaking or anything
No,
up
I
here
need
yet?
to do it.
Okay.
This is
Are you loud or sealed? Sealed or windows down is louder?
oh, window down loud.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. All right.
Ever since that day, I've been lying, made like a papa. People say I'm an addict, got a lot of bad habits. Love smoking that broccoli and I love stacking that cabbage. Shout out to my children, damn it's such good children. Shout out to my shooter, damn it's such good shooter.
Popping off. Wow. Thank you for the demo, man. You turn it up a little because this seems louder. Yeah, appreciate it, man.